Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the time expression that will show the value of wherever the playhead is located. So if I'm at the 1 second mark, you'll see the number 1. If I go to the 3 second mark, you'll see the number 3. You can also add decimal places. So if you want to get really specific on the counter, you can do that as well. The first thing we're going to do is add a text layer. So I'm going to click on T for text, click in the composition, and just type in anything. It really doesn't matter. I can put in my name. I'm going to grab the move tool and just space it wherever I want. And for all the font lovers, the font that I'm using is called Londrina Solid. Go down to the layers panel and click on the text layer. Twirl open the text until you see source text. Hold the Option key or Alt if you're on Windows and click on the stopwatch next to source text. That will allow us to type in an expression. All we're going to do is type in time. Just click off, and if I drag the playhead, you're going to see we've got numbers, but we've got crazy amount of decimal places, so we can't even really make sense of what the numbers are. So now let's fix these numbers so we can actually read them. So select the layer, you can twirl it open and go back to that source text. Just click in the timeline where we see the word time. We're going to go after the word time, so no spaces after time. Type in a period, then type in lowercase t, so T-O, uppercase F. We're going to type in the word fixed, so F-I-X-E-D. You'll see it's populating for us. I can hit enter or return. In the parentheses, we're going to tell it how many decimal places we want. If you do not want decimal places, you can leave it blank, or you can type in 0, and that will give the exact same effect where there's no decimal places. You'll see when I get to the 1 second mark, you'll see the number 1, 2, and it will count up with no decimal places. If I want decimal places, I can just type in there. Maybe I want 3. I'll type in 3. And if you ever need to adjust the position, you can always just move the text anywhere you want. And if I hit the space bar, you'll see the time is adjusting to wherever the playhead is. And that is one of many different use cases for the time expression in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.